Guys, இன்றைக்கு வந்து dish வந்து calamari. Calamari வந்து முதல் onion ring sizeல cut பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். And we have pepper grinded and salt. And we have cornstarch and 2 eggs well beaten. And we have all-purpose flour mixed with some cornstarch here. And first we're gonna dip the rings with okay, now what you have to take the calamari rings and mix them with the pepper, as you can see. You can normally, like, the squid should be a little smaller one, but what we can find yesterday was just this size. It's not a problem. Now you're gonna take pepper as you need. Mix it well. Add some salt to it. And try and add the cornstarch. Just gonna mix them well. Until all the rings get the starch. I guess it's mixed well now. Now what we're gonna do is calamari and dip them into the egg, and then you dip it into the flour until all the surface gets the flour. And place them on a plate. And we continue. Just put the pan. Now I'm just going to use the regular oil. You can also use olive oil. I'm just going to go with the regular oil. Continue dipping the rest of the calamari into the flour. So in the meantime, the pan is almost hot. It's almost ready. So now what? We're just gonna dip them. Don't put it too high. Calamari's on the way, man. It's coming up. Being fried. So once it's ready, you can put some pepper on it, man. Pepper. So now it's been in the stage where it's you can see golden brown. That means they are ready, man. It's being made by VJ Rastafari. Okay, guys. Now you can add some pepper, and just for the presentation, just add a lime in it. And this is the output, final product. Rasta Kitchen, man.